What's up, y'all? This is the material you're going to be using to cut and buff your car. Right here I have some 1000 grit sandpaper, 1500, some 2000, water bottle, and then obviously your compound of your choice. I'm using this 3M first step. I'm also using the second step. Obviously some clean towels and your pad. That's all you're going to be needing. And obviously your polishing machine. This is a 3M. It's pretty badass. You can find a cheap one at Harbor Freight. I have it right here actually. Oop, I guess I fucking don't. Yeah, I think they're like one something. Pretty cheap. But you know what they say, cheap cost. So it's your choice. You want to use it or not. As far as sandpaper goes, I always stick to 3M. Majority of the times because it lasts way longer and it is more pricey though. So you can go to the store and ask for some sheets, like at Bumper to Bumper. You can buy individual sheets. To do a whole car, you'll probably need like, I don't know, 4 sheets maybe or less. I am doing this by hand. This is the block I'm using. This is a soft block. I also got it at Bumper to Bumper. I think it was like $5 and it's pretty damn good because you know it shapes however you want it to shape. Yep. So we're gonna start with this 1000 grit sandpaper, and we're gonna get our block, put it on, and obviously your water. Spray it down. And go ahead and sand. I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration and then I'll show you exactly what to do and what not to do, alright? Alright, look. This is what you want when you sand the car. You want nice, perfectly smooth finish. That's just with 1000. You're gonna keep going up on the grid, so after 1000 it's 1500 and then 2000. All right, so this is just the first step. Sand it down till it looks just like this. So that's how we started. Clear, boom, not clear. All right, so you're just pretty much sanding down the first layer of clear coat so that it can look like this. And this is what you don't do. All right, you see those little dots? That's that orange peel. All right, so you at this point you did not get rid of that much orange peel. So sand till it looks like this, not like this. Because if it's like this and you keep going up on the grits, you're just wasting your time, man. You don't want it to look good. You just want it to look great, you know. So don't do this. Keep sanding. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about burning it. Oh yeah, about burning. If you sand too much, you're gonna burn the clear off, and it's just gonna have a halo of the paint, and it's just not good, man. So, and always take care of your edges, man. Do not fucking put your block here. Don't do that. Just do it straight, cross motion like this, diagonal. I think that's what it's called. You do it when you sand it like that, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then you come back all the way like an X. Keep doing X's like that. Go like that, and then go like that. Keep going. And then when you want to see your progress, you know, obviously it's going to be wet, right? You're going to be sanding it, right? I don't have sandpaper, it's just demonstration. You're going to be sanding it. So you sanded here a while and you're like, alright, fuck it. How does it look? Just get your block, go like this. This is why I love this block. Boom. Alright, well I can still see that. If you want to, you can get your heat gun. I always have it here. make it faster. We want it to fucking dry now. We're not wasting time. We want the shit now. We want to see what the fuck is our shit looking like, alright? I don't want to wait for this to dry. Get your fucking heat done. Have at it and just see your shit, you know? Oh, look. I still need to sand more. So what do? You get your fucking block, sand more, you know, get it done. So that's the first step to getting this done. 1000 grit, sand, and you know, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sand the rest of the car, or this bedside, and I'll cut y'all back on with step number 2. Let me give you another demonstration of how to sand the panels with the block. You can also DA it with the DA. If you don't know what that is, it's this, but this is fresh paint. So if you do that, you can see all the swirls. So maybe if it's like a car that's already cured, like factory, you can probably do that. But we're gonna do this, and that's what it is. All right. Hold on, let me fix this real quick. So we're gonna do the cross like that, a few times like that, and come back, do it the other way. Come back, do the same shit. Just like that. And check your progress. I call this a squeegee block, by the way, for obvious reasons. Boom. Oh, what? You wanna check your progress? Get your fucking heat gun. Boom. Look at that. Sand it all the way. Why did it sound so fast? Well, because I don't have much orange peel on this side of the bed. Only on that side where I had showed y'all over the wheel. Because as I mentioned, I had a chemical reaction, so that's why that took a little longer to sand. So let's repeat the process, man. Spray it up. We want it to all look even. Nicely sanded. And remember, we're still on 1000 grit sandpaper. Cross sand. Okay, come back. That. See what we got, man. There it is. That's what we want, y'all. Nice, clean results. So that's pretty much how you sand it. I'll show y'all once it's all done, and we'll go from there. Alright, yeah, I just got done sanding this panel all the way through with 1000 grit. That is our first step of sandpaper. I didn't sand down there or down here or right here because it's already pretty smooth. Looks glossy. So that's why I didn't sand there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the next grit sandpaper, which is 1500 wet sand as well. Now this part does not take so much time as the first one. We're just pretty much sanding down the scratches that were made with 1000 grit to 1500. Make it a whole lot smoother. So let me show y'all. Alright, so we're pretty much doing the exact same thing as we did. Just get your block with sandpaper. This is 1500. Hose it down a bit. And I want to show y'all something that I've noticed. when I first started doing this, the way of telling when you're done sanding. All right, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and sand some. Like I said, take your time, man. Don't fucking rush. This is not a race. You know, you want to get done with this and be like, damn, I'm fucking proud of myself, you know? So stop fucking rushing, man. Because I know when I started doing this, I was like, fuck, we gotta fucking sand quick, man. The sanding is pretty boring, man. Like, I understand why anybody would want to go fast. Alright, y'all, so I just got done sanding with 2000 grit. At this point, when you look at the panel sideways like this, it's pretty much reflective at this point, alright? That's what you want. You want it to look all reflective. The higher grit you go, the more reflective it gets. So we've started with 1000 grit sandpaper. Then it went to 2000. Well, not 2000, my bad. 1500 grit and then 2000. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video because I don't want it to be too damn long. Remember, when you're doing the sanding, you can do the cross. Go like this or like this. Then you come back. X. Same shit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You know, all the way across. And if there's anything I've missed that I didn't answer any questions, please let me know in the comments. Because I want to answer every single question. I probably didn't. I'm new to fucking YouTube. I don't do videos. I just started, so I'm not going to get everything. Probably down the road I'll make a new video. You know, when I'm a pro at recording videos or something, I don't know, or explaining. I'm not a good talker, man. Alright? But yeah, I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. Second video, we're going to be actually polishing. And, yep, y'all stay tuned, man.